Hi, I'm James, the head coach at PCMA, Property Conversion Mastery Academy, where we empower property developers to master the art of successful property conversions. Before we dive into the system, it's important to note that access to advanced PCMA programs is available only through an application process. We conduct eligibility meetings to ensure you're the right fit. But for accepted applicants, the Hidden Wealth Code, which contains these complete frameworks, is provided completely free. A £2.3 million portfolio, built in just 18 months. While most property developers are still stuck analyzing their first deal, elite developers are scaling systematically using advanced portfolio architecture. The difference? They've cracked the code between single project thinking and true scalable systems. Today, I'm revealing the exact framework that took one PCMA developer from zero to multi-million pound portfolio and why 87% of developers never break through this scaling barrier. If you're serious about portfolio scaling, this changes everything. A £2.3 million portfolio, built in just 18 months. While most property developers are still stuck analyzing their first deal, elite developers are scaling systematically using advanced portfolio architecture. The difference? They've cracked the code between single project thinking and true scalable systems. Today, I'm revealing the exact framework that took one PCMA developer from zero to multi-million pound portfolio and why 87% of developers never break through this scaling barrier. If you're serious about portfolio scaling, this changes everything. A PCMA isn't just another property course, it's an elite developer factory built on three non-negotiable pillars. First, done-for-you implementation. For eligible fellows and ambassadors, we don't just teach strategies, we execute them professionally. Second, comprehensive education and tools. 6, proven conversion strategies, advanced systems and institutional-grade analytics worth over £15,000. Third, peak performance integration. Because elite development isn't just about deals, it's about developing the mindset and execution discipline of a true property entrepreneur. Here's the brutal reality. 87% of property developers never scale beyond single projects. They're trapped in what I call the scaling crisis. Their time gets compressed, their mental bandwidth maxed out, and they have zero standardized systems. Sound familiar? They're working harder but not smarter, becoming prisoners of their own success. But elite developers, they think differently. They build portfolio architecture from day one, implement advanced time compression techniques like fast tracking and project crashing, and systematize every business process for automation. They manage energy, not just time. They become architects, not just builders. The result? Concurrent projects, exponential scaling, and the freedom to focus on high-level strategy while systems handle execution. The Portfolio Scaling Mastery System is built on 4 interconnected pillars. First, strategic foundation. This covers growth models like the momentum model, where you buy 3, sell 2, keep 1, plus advanced financing architecture and UK-specific legal frameworks. Second, the execution engine time compression techniques, multi-project management, and earned value management for institutional-level monitoring. Third, operating system, complete process standardization, automation technology stacks, and the 7 core business processes every scaling developer must systemize. Finally, the implementation toolkit, ready-to-use templates, trackers, and roadmaps that eliminate guesswork and accelerate results. Strategic foundation is where amateurs and professionals diverge completely. The momentum model, buy 3, sell 2, keep 1 creates exponential wealth acceleration while maintaining cash flow. Your capital structure must progress through 3 distinct phases: seed, growth, and scale, each with specific funding strategies and risk profiles. The legal framework using SPVs and limited company structures provides liability protection and tax efficiency that individual ownership simply cannot match. And here's what most developers miss. Geographic focus versus diversification isn't just a preference, it's a strategic decision that determines your entire operational model. Smart portfolio. Goals aren't just targets. They're your navigation system for every major decision. This foundation work separates portfolio builders from deal chasers. This level of strategic foundation work is exactly what separates elite developers from typical property investors. Remember, access to advanced PCMA programs is application only, and eligibility must be proven. The hidden wealth code containing these detailed frameworks is provided free for accepted applicants. The execution engine is where theoretical knowledge becomes practical mastery. Fast tracking means running project phases in parallel while most developers complete phases sequentially. You're overlapping design with planning approvals, cutting months from delivery timelines. Project crashing involves adding strategic resources to critical path activities for maximum velocity. But here's the advanced technique: hybrid application, dynamically combining fast tracking and crashing based on real-time project analysis. Earned value management integrates schedule, scope, and cost into a single monitoring system that predicts problems before they become crises. And the peak performance integration. You manage energy, not time. Physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual energy mapping ensures you maintain elite performance across multiple concurrent projects. Your operating system determines whether you scale systematically or chaotically. There are 7 core processes every scaling developer must standardize: deal sourcing and analysis, due diligence, acquisition, and onboarding, project management, financial management, leasing and tenant management, and sales and exit strategies. Each process requires documented procedures, assigned owners, clear KPIs, and integrated technology. Your technology stack becomes your competitive advantage: CRM for pipeline management, ERP for financial automation, project management tools for multi-project coordination, and property management systems for operational efficiency. The goal isn't just systematization, it's cognitive offloading. When systems handle routine decisions, your mental bandwidth focuses on high-value strategic activities. This is how you transition from builder to architect. The implementation toolkit eliminates the gap between learning and doing. The scaling roadmap provides 5-year vision, 1-year plans, and quarterly milestones with specific objectives, owners, and status tracking. The portfolio tracker is your real-time command center project overview, financial monitoring, Gantt chart integration, and risk log management in one unified dashboard. The business systems template standardizes process documentation across all 7 core areas. Every template includes objectives, detailed procedures, KPI measurements, required tools, and owner assignments. These aren't theoretical frameworks. They're battle-tested systems used by our most successful developers. When you have the right tools, execution becomes systematic rather than chaotic, predictable rather than reactive. The Alex method case study demonstrates complete system integration. Before, Alex was stuck on one project for 24 months, using manual processes with no systematic tracking, operating from an overwhelmed reactive mindset. The transformation was methodical. Strategic foundation work established portfolio architecture and financing progression. Execution engine implementation introduced time compression techniques and energy management protocols. Operating system development standardized all 7 core processes with full automation integration. The results? 5 concurrent projects worth £2.3 million, full automation with EVM tracking, and a strategic architect mindset focused on peak performance. This isn't luck, it's systematic application of proven frameworks. Alex applied our 87% project success rate methodology and achieved portfolio scaling that most developers never accomplish in decades. Your elite developer action plan has 3 specific steps. Step 1. Access the hidden wealth code. This free course contains the detailed frameworks and tools we've covered today, giving you everything you need to start building a profitable portfolio. Step 2. Apply what you learn with clarity and confidence. You'll receive complete mastery training in one conversion strategy, along with guided implementation to help you deliver your first successful project. Step 3. Scale your results. Once you've proven the system, you can expand across all 6 conversion strategies with unlimited support and resources to accelerate your portfolio growth. Here's what's critical to understand. The hidden wealth code, containing everything you need to implement this portfolio scaling system, is completely free. The question isn't whether these systems work, the question is whether you're ready to step up and become an elite developer. The question isn't whether these systems work. The question is whether you're ready to become an elite developer. Advanced PCMA programs require application and eligibility meetings, but the hidden wealth code, containing everything you need to implement this portfolio scaling system, is completely free for accepted applicants. The question isn't whether these systems work. The question is whether you're ready to become an elite developer. Advanced PCMA programs require application and eligibility meetings, but the hidden wealth code, Swing, containing everything you need to implement this portfolio scaling system, is completely free for accepted applicants.